Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
With highs only in the mid to upper 20s this afternoon, it was our coldest day since March 1st, and that is setting the stage for our most significant snowfall since last winter. Right now, we are still looking at mid to upper 20s just about everywhere. In Green Bay, it is overcast. We've had on and off flurries throughout the day. The temperature is 26. The same goes for Appleton, where it's currently cloudy and 27. And we have west winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Those westerly winds nowhere near as strong as what we've been seeing the last several days, but still strong enough to make it feel colder out there. It feels like 16 in Sturgeon Bay, and the wind chill right now in Watoma is coming in at 19. You can see on the radar, we will continue to see some on and off flurries throughout most of tonight, but this is what we're watching for tomorrow. Snow is now falling across Iowa back into South Dakota. That activity is all quickly pushing off towards the east in response to our next big weather maker. It's an area of low pressure now pulling out of the Rockies. It's going to be tracking east, northeast over the next 48 hours, taking a track that is probably about 60 to 90 miles too far south for the Fox Valley to get the heaviest of the snow. And that means the heaviest of the snow is going to fall across southern Wisconsin and lower Michigan. But we're still going to see quite a bit. Skycast shows cloudy skies tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. We'll have a little light snow or a few flurries working in from the south. The snow quickly expands to the north throughout the afternoon. It'll fall heavily at times tomorrow evening into early Sunday morning. I think the storm wraps up by around daybreak on Sunday. 9 to 12 inches along the lakeshore to around Fond du Lac, 6 to 9 inches for much of the Fox Valley. From around Green Bay north, about 4 to 6, and then 2 to 4 inches across the far north. Any way you look at it, this will be the biggest November snowstorm in 30 years. That's right. You got to go back to November of 1995 to find a storm that'll be bigger than this when we had almost 13 inches. After the storm, the jet stream continues to funnel cold air south out of Canada. As we move into December, it's going to feel like it, and it's going to stay feeling and looking like December should here in northeast Wisconsin. Below normal high temperatures are in the forecast really for the foreseeable future. Tonight, clouds and a few flurries. Overnight lows will be in the lower 20s. We will see kind of a mixture of clouds and a few flakes during the morning, and then it'll just be total flakes by the afternoon and evening. High temperatures will be close to 30. That's going to be late in the day. Morning highs around 30 on Sunday, then falling. A few leftover snow showers or flurries are possible during the morning, breaking into some sunshine by the afternoon. Cold on Monday and Tuesday, sun and clouds. Most locations running about 20 degrees below normal. Look at those lows. Could see some sub-zero lows if we could get calm winds in a few spots. Chance for some more snow on Wednesday ahead of another Arctic front that'll cool us down even more by Thursday.
Green Bay neighborhood reporter Jessica Goska and Cameron Moreland are looking to meet some of their neighbors. They'll be outside the Resch Center ahead of the Gamblers game on December 10th. They'd love to see you, so stop by and say hello.